Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 VW Touareg, however you want to pronounce it. First thing we have to do, make sure Bluetooth is on. And then we're watching out at the bottom here. We go over to the system, we click on phone, please connect to mobile, search for telephones, click search for telephones. It's showing VW phone there already, so we'll click on that. See what happens. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair, pin entry required, connect. So we'll click connect, we'll click pair there. Does this pin match the pin on your device? Yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. VW phone connected. That's it.